Um, Welcome to Zeki Academy. My name is Mr. Kunda ECZ. I would want us to discuss a topic, mensuration. To be specific, a subtopic called volume of a cone. So this is a simple diagram representing a cone where we have this as height, and this is called the slant height, and this is the radius of, because the cone has a circular base. So if we are discussing the volume of a cone, the volume of a cone is given by pi r squared h. The volume of a cone is pi r squared h. So if that is the case, if we are to determine the volume of the cone, you say calculate the volume of the cone, calculate the volume of a cone with height 21 centimeters and radius 7 centimeters. So if we are to determine the radius, the volume of a cone, when the height is 21 centimeters and the radius 7 centimeter, taking pi to be equal to 3.142. So according to the formula, we are saying volume of a cone is given by 1 over that pi, which is equal to what? Pi radius squared h. Now, in this case, we have been given our radius to be 7 centimeters and our height is 21 centimeters. So this is 21 centimeter. So if that is the case, how do we determine the volume? We say 1 over 3 multiplied by the pi we have been given is 3.142, and the radius we have been given, which is what? 7 squared, and height is 21. So if that is the case, we can use our calculator to determine the value. So you say 3.142, or you can say 1 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by, open bracket, 7 squared, close, then multiply by 21, which is going to give us that. Then you can divide it by 3. So it is giving us the volume. The volume is after solving everything, we are getting 1077.706 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cone is just equal to 0.71 centimeter cube as the volume of the cone. Now, alternatively, we can also use another method that is called integration to solve the volume of the cone. So if you are solving the volume of the cone using integration, so remember the cone that we have been given. This is the cone that we have been given. So the radius is 7 centimeter, meaning even this side we have 7 centimeter here. Automatically you can say the diameter there is 14 centimeter, and we have been given the height there, which is 21 centimeter. So if those are the variables that we have been given, or the parameters that we have been given, we can use the same parameters to find. Now if we are using integration, so the way we solve using integration, the volume is equal to, so you say volume in the x-axis is equal to pi the integral from a to b y squared dx. This is the formula. Now this is the formula of the volume of a cylindrical object when it is rotating in the x-axis. So if that is the case, so we can have our Cartesian plane, then we are having a cone that is rotating in the x-axis. This is a cone that is rotating in the x-axis. If this is the cone that is rotating in the x-axis, this is 7 centimeters from this point to that point, and from this point to that point, this is the origin 0, 0.